Hello guys, it's been a while since we talked to you. Where are we at?
We're in El Salvador. We're about to climb Volcano.
Yep, and we have a surprise for you. This is Patrick.
Hello.
He's one of our crew members, and this is... Introduce yourself.
I'm Pippa.
She is Peppa. And yeah, they're hanging out with us for a few days, maybe a week in the car.
Maybe months.
Maybe months, maybe years, but we don't know.
I'm gonna go back home.
Alright, let's roll, guys. Out of all the days, we came here on a national holiday. So there's like 500 people here. And these two tourists, look at them.
We got lost already.
So foreign. I think we've been walking for an hour now. Almost there. It's like a pilgrimage to the top. Oh my god. Hello! So where are we at, bro?
Santa Ana Volcano in El Salvador. It cost us like $10 to climb here. 2,400 meters, and as you can see, we have a burning lagoon down there. Beautiful colors. And on the other side, we have a huge lake with island. And that's about it. We have like 500 people here because it's public holiday, but it's still nice, and we're happy we can show you all of this beautiness.
Sometimes the hardest thing about these mountains is the climb down. It takes just as much as time, and it's a lot more dangerous because everything's so slippery and loose. There's probably another kilometer or two uphill, and these nice gentlemen offered us 50 cents to ride to the top, and of course we're gonna take it because we're lazy. Get comfortable. Ready?
We're getting food.
Exactly.
I can't hear you because I'm so hungry.
And tired. This girl hasn't eaten since 8 in the morning,
She had a banana like 4 times.
so she's a little bit.
Eat rice.
Yeah.
Rice and beans.
In El Salvador, they have these things called pupusas. It's literally like flour, cheese, and smashed beans. Or you could have. Yeah, we're currently eating at our dinner table, which is a workshop. The gang is eating. Good Lord. Look at this view. So we found this place, which is a restaurant. There's a huge parking lot. Apparently if you eat here, you could sleep for free. And that's what we're gonna do tonight. And now we're gonna jump into this epic lake. Do it. He was afraid that he was gonna lose his shorts. After a long day of moving, we couldn't ask for a better ending. This place is just incredible. And we sleep for free.
Yes, in the van. Wow.
On the floor.
4 people.
Yeah. So that's That's it, guys. Sorry that we're super lazy about uploading, but that's how it's gonna be from now on.
Thanks for surviving another episode.
Exactly. See you later.